In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klinger Oscillator Indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. You can use any market or time frame you like. The steps will be exactly the same. Let's start from your main chart screen. On the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle top area of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can find all the built-in tools that TradingView offers. Inside this window, you'll notice different categories along the side. To make things simple and stay organized, click on the section labeled Technical. This filters the list to show you technical indicators only, which is what we want for the Klinger Oscillator. Taking this extra second to go into the right category can save you from scrolling through a long, mixed list later. Now that you're in the technical section, look towards the top of the window for the search bar. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds of indicators, it's much faster to use this search field. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. In the search bar, start typing Klinger Oscillator. You don't have to type it perfectly from the very first letter. As you begin to type Klinger, TradingView will automatically narrow the results and suggest indicators that match what you're entering. Once you see Klinger Oscillator appear in the list of results, click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it directly to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price candles. At this point, you should see the Klinger Oscillator lines clearly displayed. You can hover over its name on the left side of the indicator panel to access settings if you want to customize colors, line thickness, or input values. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default settings as they are and simply focus on how the indicator moves with price and volume. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features like additional indicators on a single chart or more layout options, check out the link in my video description. That link will take you straight to the TradingView sign up or upgrade page, making it quick and easy to get set up without having to search around the site yourself. And that's all you need to do to add the Klinger Oscillator Indicator to your TradingView Pro charts.